Let's make this easy pie crust recipe. We are going to be making 2 single pie crusts, but you can also use this dough for tarts instead. So to begin, you're going to want to add the flour, sugar, and salt to your food processor. I am using my Ninja one with the dough attachment, but just a normal one with normal blades is okay too. Then add in some cold diced butter. Keep mixing this until pea-sized pieces of butter are left. Now add 7 tablespoons of ice water, and you can keep mixing until most of it sticks together or small balls form. This recipe doesn't call for any shortening, so this results in a more buttery, smooth texture in the end rather than flaky that the shortening creates. You are then going to want to dump this on your counter and just put all of the dough together. You don't want to knead the dough very much here, you just want to make sure it's all together and sticking. You can then cut the dough in half and flatten them to create 2 round discs. Cover them with plastic wrap and put them in the fridge for at least 1 hour before using. So there you have it, your own homemade pie crust. And if you're wanting to prepare your dough farther in advance before you are making your pie, this dough is great to throw in the freezer and pull out for later use. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and let me know if you try it.